In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Zoho Mail account, ensuring you can quickly and efficiently get access to all your emails without any hassle. Let's dive right in and break down these steps to make your process smooth and straightforward. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. You can either type in the URL directly by entering http://mail.zoho.com into the address bar, or you can simply open up your favorite search engine and type in Zoho Mail Login. This search should direct you to the appropriate page. Using either method will bring you to Zoho's homepage, where you can securely sign in to your account. Once you're on the Zoho Mail Login page, you'll want to locate the Sign In button. It's conveniently placed at the top right corner of the page, so it should be easy to find and click. By selecting the Sign In button, you're ready to move on to the next step, which involves entering your account credentials. Now that you're on the login page, it's time to enter your email address. This will usually follow the format of your name at zoho.com or your name at yourdomain.com, depending on how your account was initially set up. It's essential to have the correct email address to ensure you're logging into the right account, as sometimes small typos can lead to login errors or issues accessing your emails. With the email address correctly typed in, the next detail you'll need is your password. Take your time entering your password to ensure that each character is correct, as passwords are case-sensitive and even a small mistake can prevent you from accessing your account. If you're using a computer you trust, consider allowing your browser to remember your password for next time, which can speed up the login process in the future. However, be cautious when using shared or public computers to avoid compromising your login information. Once both your email address and password are entered, it's time to hit that Sign In button again. By pressing this button, Zoho's system will verify your credentials and grant you access to your inbox if everything is correct. If there are any issues with your login, double-check your email address and password for any small errors. And there you have it. You've successfully logged into your Zoho Mail account and are ready to manage your emails. Remember that keeping your login credentials safe and secure is vital to protect your account. It's always a good practice to sign out of your account when using shared computers. Thank you for joining me today.